Hi everyone. In today's clip, I want to talk a bit about restless leg syndrome. Please note that anything I record here are for informational purpose only and is not intended to diagnose or cure any ailments. Restless leg syndrome, or RLS, is a condition which causes a very strong urge to move the legs because of an uncomfortable feeling. It normally happens in the evening or at night when sitting or lying down, and moving reduces the discomfort for a short time. RLS can begin at any age. It can disrupt sleep, which interferes with our daily activities. This ailment is also known as Willis-Ekbom disease. People typically describe the symptoms as unpleasant feelings in the legs or feet, and they usually happen on both sides of the body, and less commonly, the sensations also may impact the arms. The sensations are felt inside the leg rather than on the skin, and they may feel something like pulling, crawling, throbbing, creeping, aching, itching, or buzzing. So all of these are possible, and sometimes the feelings are quite hard to actually explain. It's usually not described as a muscle cramp or numbness, for example. It's common for symptoms to get better and then worse. Sometimes symptoms disappear for a period of time and then they come back. And a number of lifestyle changes can help ease the symptoms. And they include things like avoiding stimulants, especially in the evening or night, such as caffeine, tobacco, or alcohol, and staying away from smoking in general, regular daily exercises, but not sort of close to bedtime, proper sleep, avoiding medicines that trigger the symptoms or make them worse. But if you think there's a medication that you're taking that's causing your symptoms, continue to take it and make an appointment to see your healthcare provider to get some guidance on that. During an episode of RLS, some of what I'm about to mention may help relieve the symptoms that you're experiencing. For example, massaging the legs, taking a hot bath in the evening, applying a hot compress to leg muscles, doing activities that distract your mind like reading or watching TV, relaxation exercises like breathing, yoga, and Tai Chi, walking and stretching. So multiple published trials also have linked magnesium deficiency to RLS. A clinical trial by Cardiff University showed how well magnesium is absorbed actually through the skin. Without magnesium, our bodies are less supple, and deficiency is linked with many health issues, including migraines, anxiety, depression, extreme fatigue, some heart issues. A magnesium-rich bath or a few body sprays here and there after your shower will leave the person sort of feeling relaxed, as well as effectively replenishing the body's magnesium levels. Now, magnesium flakes are known to have several benefits to the body and mind. They promote optimum skin health and total relaxation. Our body's magnesium reserves are usually depleted under stress. And most people are deficient in magnesium due to this because we live a stressful life nowadays. So magnesium is somewhat difficult to absorb orally, but boosting magnesium levels through the skin can help to conserve stocks within the body for overall well-being and balance. Transdermal absorption, which is also called topical absorption, has been proven to be the most successful way to replenish the body's magnesium levels. So to do this, you run a warm bath along with 2 to 4 handfuls of magnesium flakes, and you soak and relax. Now, dissolving them in warm water and then bathing in them encourages absorption into your skin, boosting your body's magnesium levels. Now, other benefits of magnesium bath are things like relaxation and sleep quality, reduction in tiredness, fatigue, and anxiety, relief from muscle tension and muscle spasms in general, general wellness, improving circulation, Magnesium absorption, of course, as I mentioned, relief from headaches, helping soothe dry skin and conditions like eczema, psoriasis, or acne, relief from pain relief from joint issues, improving skin hydration. So just a couple of handful of the magnesium flakes in a bath will help with the relaxation and skin hydration. It's recommended that as I said again, you add up to like 4 handfuls in a warm water and you soak in there for about 20 minutes to really maximize your mineral absorption. Vitamins like vitamin D, vitamin C, E, B6 also are known to relieve the symptoms drastically. Triggers are usually high processed foods, and these foods are often high in added sugars, unhealthy fats, higher levels of sodium, and unnecessary chemicals like MSG or artificial sweeteners or artificial oils and colors. These additives can contribute to inflammation and disrupt sleep patterns, both of which, of course, can worsen the RLS symptoms. Certain medications may also aggravate the RLS symptoms, such as some anti-nausea drugs or antipsychotic drugs, antidepressants that increase the serotonin, and cold and allergy medication that contain older antihistamines can also do that. Now, moving on to the spiritual cause of RLS is an issue of feeling stuck, trapped, or not being able to escape a place or an uncomfortable situation. Oftentimes it's tied to emotional expression or suppression. For example, not feeling safe to express yourself and beating yourself up later about it. And saying things like, why wouldn't I just say something? I'm kicking myself for not telling them how I feel and how I see things. Notice the word kicking myself, right? So when we nurture love within ourselves, everything changes. When we build up our relationship with our body, it leads to greater trust, love, and connection with ourselves. As you can imagine, that feels really good on the whole system. Our mind can relax and our body can heal naturally while we grow deeper into our own hearts. Hope this has been helpful. Please ensure not to try and address any ailments you might have on your own, and contact your healthcare provider for proper steps and attention. Like and follow for more. Be the light.